I'll show you a technique my electrical shop teacher taught me. Going wire around a screw, you could twist this up and wrap it around that way, and then you got a bunched up like tube of a thing, and it gets pinched, and sometimes they squeeze out and whatever. I mean, you could solder it, which would be the best way to do this, but this is only temporary. I wanted to see how this works, which I still have to get to. I hope I get to it before dark here. But for right now, I'll show you this quick little trick. You do a semi-twist on that at the bottom here, and you separate these into two, basically in half. I mean, then you twist them again. And you put a screwdriver in here. I took the screwdriver because the shank on this is a little bit bigger around than the screw. So that way it'll give me a little bit of play. And I can do some tightening in later. Hopefully this slides up off the head. Okay, it looks like it's going to. Right. Let me give this a little extra twist here. I mean, you can still solder this also. Come on, there we go. Okay. And you see what you got there? You can tighten it up a little bit by giving a little more turn, one more turn. I should put a washer underneath this or on top of it, but I'm not going to. Yeah. Come on now. Turn around here. There we go. You. In the hole. In the hole. She going? All right. And there you go. That's how you wrap a wire around a screw without a connector. Thanks.